Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 4 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. People jumped blank the cold ocean. A. Out of. B. Into. C. Behind. Correct answer, into, to show movement. Rose helped Jack get blank the room. A. Into. B. Out of. C. Among. Correct answer, out of, to show movement. There were many people blank the crowd on deck. A. Behind. B. Among. C. Below. Correct answer, among, more than 2 people. Cal stood blank Rose, watching her. A. Among. B. Behind. C. Below. Correct answer, behind, to show position. The lower decks were blank the water line. A. Among. B. Behind. C. Below. Correct answer, below, to show a position. Like, comment and subscribe.